Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to clear the Telegram cache to get an extra space for your phone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Telegram application and please take a look on this button feature. There will be like 3 sections over that, and then you just need to go visit your settings. In the settings, you just need to go click the data and storage right here, and after that on the top rows you will see a storage usage. Go click it to visit the storage analysis of the Telegram that you have, and after that you just need to like scrolling down and you can just go click this clear entire cache. Don't forget to confirm it and you will get an extra 41.8 megabyte for your phone. So that is the way how to clear the Telegram cache on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.